This is Mercedes C220 C-Class Estate. I have an engine fault here. There is an engine management light here coming up in the dash. So this is a diagnostic machine I bought from eBay only for £15. So you know. It's not very expensive. It's something you can buy for 15 or 20 pounds from eBay. This is the machine. This is a quite old one, but you can buy a new version one as well, but still works. My car is 2013 model C-Class. Now this is the plug-in cable to go under the steering wheel. Right in there, okay. And this end goes into this machine here. Over the top. In here, then tight these screws so it doesn't come out. Right. Now the machine has turned on. You can't see it because of the sunlight. The machine is turned on. What you have to do, just power it on, press and hold, then it will come on the screen. 900 scan. Right. There is a selection of your model. You can select like Land Rover, Lexus, Mazda, Jaguar, Kia, whatever the car you have, and for diesel, and lots of model in there. Well, if you don't have your model listed in this list, what you can do, there is an option for other. So you can just press other, right? Select this one, enter, yeah. So I'm gonna go to Mercedes now. Okay. Enter. Start a new scan, enter again. Read DTC. You can enter again, read DTC. Now it's reading process. So the code came on P0101, right? P0101, mass airflow, volume airflow, air circuit range performance. Okay. So if you Google it, P0101, you'll find exactly to tell you what's the code mean and what kind of parts you need to replace. So I Googled it previously, so I just found out the parts to be replaced. Airflow, mass airflow sensor, which is located on the bonnet near the engine. So this is the part I got it from from the local part shop. This cost me £120. Cost me £120. Mass airflow sensor, and this is how it looks like. This is located engine here. That is located here. So you just take the old one out. This is the new one. So this is the plug. And take it off. If I put it in, it won't make any difference. If the sensor was working, then once I've taken this plug off, you stop the engine as well. So that when the engine is stopped, that means this is not working. You need to replace that. So I've got this. I'm going to replace it, and then I'll show you the next video. First of all, you need to take this air intake part from there. It was fitted here, so I just took it off from there, and then we have to unplug this from there, and then you have to take this loose the screw to get this bit loosened up so you can pull it out. And there is another screw here, special screw. Is a start drop, and then there's another one behind this pipe. You have to take them to screw off and put this back on. This is a star screwdriver. I bought a set of star screwdriver for $6.99. The end is like a star. There's no flat or Phillips. I'll show you. It's there. So it's got this bigger one. So let me take this off. This is the old air mass flow sensor. I just took it off from there. All it is a 2 screw each side. Yeah, that's my old one. That's my new one. There's quite a bit of debris here to clean it up. That's a new one went in. There's one screw there and one screw there to go right there. Okay, that's done. Sure, the screws are tight so the air doesn't come out. That goes back in there. Then you have to tighten this screw here, so it's going to tighten up the face of it. Now we need to put this back on here, and that plug goes in there. Once you've done it, there is a, to make it secure, there is a thingy, clip here to press it in like that. It won't come out. sure these are pushed back in the gray clips. Like there's another one here. I need to push that one back in. That's already pushed in. That's it. All done. So how easy it is. You can do it yourself from A to Z. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you give it a like and subscribe. Thank you. Check everything that done, everything back to place and correctly, everything secure. It's gone in. Now put this back over. Engine management light is gone now.